Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by getting the essentials in place. Open Instagram, confirm microphone permission, and choose story, reel, or post because each has different length limits and editing tools. Start recording with a steady phone and speak clearly. This improves automatic captions later. Once done, save the clip or keep it live for editing. Make sure you record near the phone mic and avoid noisy rooms, since cleaner audio yields more accurate transcription when you apply captions within Instagram or an external tool. You now convert audio into text. Tap the captions sticker in Stories or enable auto captions in the Reels editor so Instagram transcribes automatically. If the built-in option isn't present or fails, export the clip as MP3 or WAV and upload to a reliable third-party transcriber, then import the SRT or plain text back into your editor. While editing, fix punctuation, speaker names, and timing to match mouth movements. This ensures readability and accessibility, so viewers who watch muted still get your full message. Finish by previewing the entire piece with captions on, checking that lines don't overlap UI elements and that timing matches speech. If Instagram won't accept a text overlay, export an SRT and either upload via a supported tool or burn captions into the video before publishing. If transcription keeps failing, re-record with clearer audio or correct the text manually. Microphone placement and a quieter room usually solve most issues. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle app language and restart Instagram if captions fail to generate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.